Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on the copy trading section in the Bitunix Exchange. The copy trading section is where you can copy the trades of professional traders and profit from them even without having advanced expertise. Here, you can see various options, and we'll explain each of these sections to you one by one. At the top of the page, you can see the Become a Lead Trader option. If you have your own personal strategy and trading style, you can sign up as a lead trader, and other traders will copy your trades. Through this copy trading process, you'll receive a 10% commission. All you need to do here is enter your information. Select the amount of your own capital, and in this section, you set the minimum amount for copy trading by other traders. You can also enter the maximum number of people who can follow you here, and other options like private copy trading, make position public, and generate copy trading API will be available to you. Finally, you agree to the terms and conditions of this section, and after clicking on Confirm, you will become a lead trader. In the next section, you will see the private copy trading option. This section is specifically for lead traders and traders who want to have a private copy trading setup. This section can be used for private clients or select individuals, allowing only a limited group of people to copy their trades. And in the tutorial section, you can find a series of general guides about the copy trading section and how it works. Now, moving on, you can see a list of different traders, and you can use the filters in this section to view them based on your interests, or use the search bar to look up the name of the trader you want. In each section, you can view brief information about each trader. Here, you can see the trader's name, the total number of people copying this trader, and the number of people this trader accepts as copiers. After selecting the time range, you can view this person's return on investment and its chart. You are shown the 7-day profit or loss, the maximum account drawdown, the assets under this person's management, and the win rate. You can also see which coins and tokens this person is currently trading. By clicking on each person's name, you can access more information about their trades. Here, you can once again see some of the information from the previous page, and you can also view the profit or loss of the people following this person. Additionally, within the specified period, you can see the number of profitable and losing trades along with their chart. In the Overview section, you can once again see the assets under this person's management, their margin account balance, the number of current followers, the total number of people who have ever followed them, and the number of days this person has been actively trading. Also, after you start copying this person, you will need to pay them a 10% fee on your trades. Here, you can also see the coins and tokens that this person has traded. At the bottom of the page, you can view open positions, position history, transaction history, and also the status of followers' accounts. After reviewing the various details on this page, if you think this trader can be profitable for you, you can click on the copy option here. Again, on this page, you will see information about the trader, and you can choose to copy their trades in either multiplier or fixed amount mode. In the first mode, you will trade using a multiplier relative to the trader's investment. You enter the amount of capital and stop loss, which are set to the suggested values in this section. You can also adjust your own margin mode in the advanced section and choose the leverage option to match the trader or set a fixed leverage. Slippage is available for you in this section, and you can proceed to copy trades in this mode. In the fixed amount section, you also need to enter the amount of capital for each trade as well as the total capital for the copy trading section. We also recommend that you definitely use the stop loss feature for the copy trading process, and again, These options will be available to you in the advanced section. You agree to the terms and conditions of this section, and after clicking on the copy button, the copy trading process will successfully begin. Now, in the copy trading page, this panel will be added for you, where you can see the amount of copy trading capital, your profit or loss, and the profit share amount. In the My Copies section, you can see the details of your copy trades, and in the Private Copy Trading section, if you use private copy trading with a specific trader, it will be displayed here. Go to the My Copies section to view more details about your copy trading process. On this page, you can once again see your margin balance, total copy amount balance, profit or loss, net profit, and unrealized P&L. The people who are currently copying are shown here, and in the ended section, you can also view the history of your copy trades. Here, by clicking on the Details option, you can view more information about your trades in this section. Open orders, order history, completed orders, profit history, transfer history, and funding are all displayed for you. By clicking on the Transfer option, you can move your balance to your copy trading account and have more capital available in this section. Also, in the Settings section, you can change other copy trading settings, and if you decide to stop copy trading with this person, click on the End option. After clicking on Confirm, the copy trading process will be successfully canceled. That was the tutorial for the copy trading section on the Bitunix Exchange. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.